Yes, I am here with my second in command, and this week was declared for HVAC week, HVAC servicing week for our own location. That's our own plan to carry out our tasks. And of course, we have about 16 split unit to service, not just ordinary service, deep servicing, which will require us to bring down the evaporator blower depending on the condition. And also we have 6 central unit to service, but we are going to give priority to those ones that we have concern. And of course, it is my second in command that is going to carry out the task while I will do the inspection. So can you tell me how you carry out the job safely without injury to you and also damage to the equipment?
Okay, Chief, thank you very much. First of all, we have procedures we follow, which the number one is to raise a GSA. Now, once the job safety analysis is being raised, that is where I'll be able to check the hazard that can be involved during the operation, which after raising the GSA, studying the GSA, checking for hazard, and then possible way to mitigate so that I will not be injured or the equipment will also not be damaged. Then I'll check for my tools, which are basically few tools like flat screwdriver, star head, maybe a flat saw in case we have a bolt that has been rusted to cut, then pliers, then Allen key in case we need it. And also, certainly on getting to the site, first of all, I will have to isolate the power source to avoid electrocution, which no matter how you good, if electric come, you not go fit escape am. So after isolating the line, then possibly check for valves, maybe the drain. We need to disconnect the drain, and then the job is started.
All right, thank you so much. You heard it. Safety first, energy isolation in order to avoid accidental startup. So stay tuned, and of course, continue to follow Time Auto Global Limited for more AC tips. And if you have any concern regarding AC, just contact us. Time Auto Global Limited is always at your service.
The door a step away from you.
Sure. Yes, after disconnecting all the necessary bolts or screw, now we are trying to disconnect the drain line, and that's the drip tray. So we are done with that, and that's the blower, evaporator blower that we are trying to bring out. You can see the condition is in worse condition. So this AC really needed deep cleaning. That's the evaporator blower. Look at the condition. So we need to give it a thorough cleaning to return back the cooling system. And of course, see the condition of the housing. It's very dirty. So we are outside cleaning the drain and the louvers. The drain is joined together with the louvers, and that's the blower wheel. So we are giving it a deep bed. It needs showered, so we are trying to shower it. We also rinse the drain tray and the louvers after cleaning it with brush, and also give it a shower. Yes, we are done with that, and we are carrying out a deep cleaning on the housing. That's the blower housing, that's the evaporator itself. So we need to clean everything thoroughly before we install back the evaporator blower and also the drain in order to restore back the cooling. Yes, we are done. So that's the evaporator filter. So we need to install it, and of course that is a safety device to the evaporator, so not to allow the evaporator to get dirty soon. Yes, we are done. Let's try to cover it back and give it a test and see how it goes. Yes, of course, when we say timer will always go deep for your air conditioning to come back new, to come out new. So we are done and testing it, and everything is back to shape. Yes, and our client is happy.